Hi guys, welcome to this institute. My name is S Khan. In the last video, we read about omission of articles. I mean to say zero article. Today, in this video, we will continue zero article. So let's start. See. No article plus school, college, hospital, court, bed, jail, market, etc. Now look at this sentence. We don't use any articles. We don't use any articles before school, college, hospital, court, bed, jail, market. If we show the main purpose, if we show the main purpose, we don't use any article. Let's take the example. I go to school. Another example. I go to the school. What is the difference between two sentences? The first sentence is here, I go to school, and the second sentence, I go to the school. It means here to read, पढ़ने के लिए. For other purpose. I go to school. In this sentence, we see that मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. Why? To read, पढ़ने के लिए. I go to the school. It means मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ पढ़ने के लिए नहीं, किसी अन्य काम से, प्रिंसिपल से मिलने के लिए, एसएलसी लेने के लिए, other work. So these are the difference here. So if we use the article before school, before college, before hospital, court, debate, jail, market, its meaning changes there. And if we don't use any articles, it means show the real purpose. Example, I go to bed, it means to sleep. I go to the bed, it means not to sleep. Sohan was ill, so he went to hospital. Why? For treatment. Sohan went to the hospital, it means he went to hospital, but not for treatment, to meet the patient, to meet anyone, another purpose. That's why. So this is very important. So this is clear here. This is clear here. So let's move next rule. No article plus names of vehicles. No article plus names of vehicles. It means savari. I went to Patna by dash bus. Bus is here vehicle and by is here preposition, but that is in the rule. We don't use any articles before the names of vehicles. So we will not use any article. This means no article. By bus, by bus, by car, by train, etc. By bus, by car, by train, by plane, by jeep. We don't use any articles there. Understand? Next, there is exception. Exception is what? In a car. In a taxi. In a car. In a taxi. Two sentences here. I went to Patna by bus. If by is used there, it means no article. But if in is there, in a car, car में बैठकर, in a taxi, taxi में बैठकर, in that situation we use a article, and that's clear here. No article plus names of mills. No article plus names of mills. Example, I take dash lunch at 1 p.m. Here, lunch is a name of meal. It's a time of meal, lunch. So, we don't use any article. I take breakfast. No article. I take breakfast. No article. Okay. Here there is a exception. If Mills are specialized. If mills are specialized, then we can use the. If mills are specialized, in that condition we can use the. Example, the chief minister was invited to the dinner. The chief minister was invited to the dinner. Chief minister, here we use the article. Why? Name of the post. Here, name of the post. कोई भी पद रहेगा, post रहेगा. The prime minister, the chief minister, the governor. Then we can use the. Here, dinner. We don't use any articles before the names of mills, but there is a condition. If mills are specialized, in that condition we can use the. Here chief minister को invite किया गया dinner पर, माने खास रात्रि भोज पर. That's why we use here the article. The chief minister was invited to the dinner. यानी कि यहाँ पर डिनर को स्पेशलाइज किया गया है. डिनर इज स्पेशलाइज्ड हियर. चीफ मिनिस्टर को आमंत्रित किया गया किसी खास रात्रि भोज पे. दैट्स व्हाई इन दैट कंडीशन वी हैव यूज हियर द आर्टिकल. No article plus names of diseases. No article plus names of diseases. Here we can't use any articles A and D before the names of disease. बीमारी के नाम के पहले हम किसी तरह का आर्टिकल का प्रयोग नहीं कर सकते. See the example. He died of cancer. He died of cancer. He died of cancer. Here we use no article because cancer is a name of disease and we don't use any articles before the names of disease. One thing here, die. Die always follow a preposition. Die always follow a preposition. Here preposition is of. Here preposition is of. So in this sentence, we see two things important. The first, die follow a preposition, and cancer is a name of disease, never follow any articles. But some disease comes in exception exception, what apavad. In some disease, we use the article. In some disease, we use the article. Like the plague, the flu, the measles, plague, the flu, the measles. In these diseases, we use the article. Leaving these name of diseases, we don't use any articles. But if plague is there, we use the article. If flu is there, we use the article. If measles is there, the article. Understand? So there is exception. Rule number 12. No article plus names of pigs. No article plus names of क्या कहेंगे, pigs and single island. No article plus names of क्या कहेंगे, pigs. Pigs means चोटियों, जो पर्वत की चोटी होती है उसके लिए, आइलैंड जो द्वीप है, टापू है, उसके लिए यहाँ पर एस जो है वो क्या है, साइलेंट है. नाउ सी द एग्जांपल. माउंट एवरेस्ट is a पिक. माउंट एवरेस्ट जो है एक चोटी का नाम है. इसके पहले हम क्या करते हैं, नो आर्टिकल प्रयोग करते हैं. श्रीलंका इज एन आइलैंड. श्रीलंका इज एन आइलैंड. इसमें हम नो आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं बिकॉज श्रीलंका एक क्या है, द्वीप है, टापू है, सिंगल आइलैंड है. इसलिए इसमें हम नो आर्टिकल का प्रयोग करते हैं. No article plus family, relations, father has come. Mother is ill. Father has come, पिताजी आए हैं. It means father shows a family relations. Mother is ill. Mother shows a family relations. That's why in that condition we don't use any article. No article plus article plus kind of, type of, plus sort of. No article plus kind of, type of, sort of. No article plus kind of, type of, sort of. What kind of man are you? तुम किस तरह के आदमी हो? What type of dress you like? आप किस तरह के ड्रेस को पसंद करते हो? ठीक है? No article plus proper noun. Sachin is a good batsman. Sachin is a good batsman. Sachin is a proper noun. Here we don't use any article. Sachin is good man. Note: if proper noun is used as a common noun, then we can use, if proper noun is used as a common noun, then we can use the example. He is the Sachin of, he is the Sachin of Samastipur. He is the bits of my mohalla. He is the Sachin of समस्तीपुर. वह समस्तीपुर का सचिन है. She is the bits of my mohalla. वो मेरे मोहल्ला की बिपाशा है. She is the bits of my mohalla. So in these two sentences, clear that if proper noun is used, in that situation we don't use any articles. If proper noun is used as a common noun, then we can use the article, the Sachin, the bits. Gandhiji was a great man. Here Gandhiji used as a proper noun, no article. He is a Gandhi. He is a Gandhi. He is a Gandhi. It means गांधी जी वॉज ए ग्रेट मैन. गांधी जी एक महान व्यक्ति थे. ये गांधी जी यूज्ड एज ए प्रॉपर नाउन. In that situation, we use no article. But he is a Gandhi. He is a Gandhi. यानी वो गांधी है नहीं बल्कि गांधी जैसा है ना. He is a Gandhi. This Gandhi is not here. He is a Gandhi. It means गांधी जैसा है, but he is not a Gandhi. अब मैं आगे इस वीडियो में आज हम लोग चर्चा कर रहे थे जीरो आर्टिकल के बारे में, जो मैंने बताया अभी. अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ अबाउट द यूजेस ऑफ आर्टिकल द आर्टिकल के प्रयोग के बारे में. यूजेस ऑफ द, इसको द भी बोलते हैं, दी भी बोलते हैं और ये दी भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. द का मतलब होता है, द का मतलब होता है वो या वही. एग्जाम्पल में गिव मी द पेन प्लीज. गिव मी द पेन प्लीज. कृपया करके मुझे वो कलम, कृपया करके मुझे वो कलम दीजिए. इट मीन्स द पेन यानी कि कोई खास कलम. द का मतलब वो यानी कोई खास. द का मतलब वो मीन्स कोई खास. This is the pen which I bought yesterday. This is the pen which I bought yesterday. It means वही कलम. यहाँ पर दो का मतलब हो रहा वही कलम. दिस इज द पेन. यह वही कलम है जिसे मैंने कल खरीदा था. यानी कि वो कलम खास है, वही कलम है जिसे मैंने कल खरीदा था. इट मीन्स द पेन, इट मीन्स वही कलम. तो हियर द मीन्स वो एंड वही. टू मीनिंग्स आर हियर इन हिंदी. the plus names of newspapers. The plus names of क्या कहेंगे, न्यूज़पेपर्स. जितने भी न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं उन सब में हम किसका प्रयोग करते हैं, द का. द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द हिंदुस्तान, द टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया, द हिंदुस्तान. Any newspaper names, any name of newspaper, we can use the article. The article plus names of rivers, names of rivers, any name of the rivers, we use the article. The Ganges, the Yamuna, the Budhi Gandak, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Budhi Gandak. Names of any rivers, we use the article. Now first, the names of newspaper, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, the Telegraph, any name of newspaper, we can use the article. The plus names of rivers, the Ganges, the Yamuna, the Budhi Gandak, any name of newspaper, any names of rivers. The plus names of holy books. Holy books means धार्मिक किताबें. The Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible, the D plus names of holy books. It means the Ramayana, the Gita, the Quran, the Bible. D plus names of planets, names of planets, subplanets. It means D plus names of planets, subplanets. मतलब ग्रह, ग्रहों, जो ग्रह होते हैं, उपग्रह होते हैं, उनके नाम के पहले हम लोग दी का प्रयोग करते हैं. The sun, the moon, earth. The sun, the moon, the earth. The sun, the moon, the earth. The plus common noun. Common noun means the whole class, the whole community, पूरी जाति का जिससे बोध होता है. The cow, the dog, the elephant, we use the article. We use the article. The dog, the cow, the elephant, the cat, etc. No article plus names of big buildings. No article plus names of क्या कहते हैं big buildings. Taj Mahal. We use the article. The Qutub Minar. The Red Fort. Lal Killa. The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, the Red Fort. No article plus names of directions. Names of directions: east, west, south, north. Names of directions. The east, the west, the north, the south. The east, the west, the north, the south. Superlative degree. No article plus superlative degree. What is superlative degree? Superlative degree is a part of degree in which we talk about the super quality, means best. We can use the best. Smallest, we can use the smallest. So the simple significance is EST. EST is used in superlative degree. Example: There are three degrees: ED, CD, SD. ED tall, CD taller, and SD tallest. So before the names of SD, before the names of superlative degree, we use the article, and that's why we use the best, the smallest, and the smallest, tallest, biggest, richest, poorest. So we can use the article before the superlative degree. The article, names of trains, names of trains, aeroplanes, the names of trains, the aeroplanes. The Vaishali Express, Rajdhani Express, the Indian Airlines. We use the article. The article plus something special. The article plus something special. This is the girl who came into my dream last night. वही लड़की है जो कल मेरे सपने में आई थी. It means खास लड़की जिसको हम जानते हैं, जिसको हम जानते हैं, खास लड़की है. This is the girl who came into my dream last night. So here the girl is used. It means something special, something special. So here the plus something special. This is the girl who came into my dream last night. who came into my dream last night and this sentence cleared that. The plus specific oblique particularize thing. The book which is in your hand is mine. The book which is in your hand is mine. वह किताब जो आपके हाथों में है मेरी है. Here we use the. Here we use the. So today we have learnt about omission of articles. I mean to say zero article. And today we have also learned about where we use the article. So in the article we have learnt so many rules about the article. In next class in next video we will continue the uses of the article and we discuss more about the, because the is very important article. It has large uses, so we have to use the article very mindfully if the questions asked in your examination. So we will discuss in the next class and we will talk about more and more about definite articles the. So this is very important that we should talk about more about next class. So for today it's enough. Bye.